In this video by EBN Painting, we are working on a pool deck, and we start our preparation work by moving gravel a few inches away from the deck. After that, we pressure wash the deck thoroughly. Using TSP, we scrub the deck with the broom that has medium stiffness bristles. We rinse off all the chemicals afterwards. There were a few cracks on this deck that were repaired using Excel texture. We apply the texture with a putty knife, and then with the wet sponge we blend it in. After we finished with repairs, we apply the first coat of paint. Typically we start with the brush work, but on this pool deck we use the roller first. After the first coat of paint had enough time to dry, we paint all the edges of the deck using a brush. After finishing with the brush work, we use the roller again to apply the second coat. To avoid the roller marks, we keep a wet edge and paint a small section at a time, usually from one expansion joint to another. And this is the look of the pool deck before painting and after.